I mean no disrespect. Actually, I'm curious if you, the viewer, could tell me, how do you live this close to a train and sleep? Any tactics, techniques, anything that you think might help these folks? Just curious about it because I sleep with a fan on, some white noise, but what would you recommend? And honestly, this is about 10 foot from the tracks, all these houses. So what would you recommend if I actually lived in one of those houses? Thanks. Please like and subscribe, and really appreciate all your support. It means a lot.